There's a hidden little park tucked in the middle of Geneva, just south of the Rhône by Junction, called Bois de la Bâtie. Placed high on a hill, the woods allow for an escape from the bustling city of Geneva. Its name harks back to the Middle Ages, but more recently, in 1868, plots of the land was purchased by two brothers, Auguste and Theodore Turrettini, and a year later, offered the land to the city on one condition: to maintain and preserve this public property on behalf of the inhabitants of Geneva. It was the spark of a tradition of gifting the city many other parks. My wife, our dog Peanut, and I walked towards the park, leaving from St. John, and walked south past the river towards Junction. It takes maybe about 15 to 20 minutes to walk to the entrance, which is slightly hidden, and takes less than 5 minutes from the Junction bus stop. Saturday morning is a wonderful time to go on a short walk, and despite some light rain, we were determined to go.
I think he maybe wants to go play ball with the boys.
I think so.
But then he's like too shy, so he stops midway.
What makes this park so great are three things. First, it's a dog park haven where more than half the dogs are unleashed and roam around as it's isolated from traffic. Second, it's a taste of nature tucked in the middle of a bustling city. And lastly, it leads to an amazing hike down by the Rhône, which can be an all-day hike if you so desire. It's a wonderful place, and I hope anyone who stays in Geneva for a short period of time gets to enjoy it. Not only will you meet dozens of friendly dogs, but there is also a small little zoo there where you'll be able to see goats, pigs, deers, and the most ridiculous looking chickens. I was able to capture a clip for you, which you'll see in less than a minute. But for now, isn't autumn an absolutely beautiful time of the year? 야, 니네들, 얼굴 좀 보여줘봐. 그래. But yeah, that's the whole video. It's not so much about our experience than it is sharing with you a part of Geneva that we think many will enjoy and appreciate. But if your heart desires something more spicy and steep, perhaps you can run away to Neon on a quick 30-minute train and visit the Jura Mountains. Regardless, we think this will be a place we come to quite often. Thanks for watching, and also a special shout out to our wife and our dog, Peanut.